So no, you also come and sit on the stage.
For me, it's okay.
Good morning, friends and teachers. Today we've gathered here for the workshop of resume drafting and interview skills. This workshop will be conducted by Mr. Vinay Kumar Sharma. Before starting the workshop, I'd just like to introduce him. Mr. Vinay has completed his technical education at Sindhi Foundation, Nashik, and he is pursuing his managerial education at Pelinkar Business School, Matuka. His professional career is quite impressive. Mr. Vinay joined as Techno Sales Engineer, promoted to Area Sales Manager after 6 months of joining, and then as Product Manager after completion of 9 months at Luna Bearing Automation and Power Transmission. He has also worked at Procron Technologies Private Limited and at SEW Eurodrive India Private Limited. He is currently working at Siemens India Limited. I would also like to highlight some of his qualities and achievements. Mr. Vinay never compromised over his choice of automation in his career. He has appeared for 9 interviews, 5 Indian companies and 4 multinationals till date, and was never rejected. Awarded as Employee of the Year 2014 at Luna Bearing Automation and Power Transmission, he achieved the record growth of 170% in business in Western region while his tenure at Procron Technologies Private Limited. He is also a technocrat, thinker, columnist, speaker, and a social person. Quite a great personality, and he is truly inspiring. I would like to request our HOD sir to please felicitate Mr. Vinay. Now I request our board president Aparna to felicitate our HOD sir. Sir, I would like you to start the workshop.
Hello, good morning. Before starting this workshop, I will be taking a few minutes. Being a teacher, so I need to speak something. So what I would request, since we have a great personality over here, I would like to. There are some things which I wanted to tell you when you are attending such workshop. What I find is that interaction and communication is lagging. Unless you have the bi-directional communication, we will not get the success. It should not be a broadcast mode, since we are the IT people, computer people. So it should not be a broadcast kind of thing. Just like in class, you sit like a dumb terminal. But here, I suppose it should not be. Because this is a very important topic as far as your career and entire the life is concerned. So whatever it is in your mind, you are free to ask. Any silly question, but you need to ask. Keeping any kind of doubts and leaving this class will not put the 100% success of this program. So anyone having any kind of doubt, please free to ask. Take his time if he has already scheduled. Then you can have during the session, the break session, you need to have the interaction. That is one thing which I would like to tell you. So please feel freely, and most of you are keeping back on your lap, so you need to be very comfortable. Again, I am telling, because you are not sitting in a train. So be comfortable. Unless you sit comfortable, you will not get complete knowledge what he is going to tell. And so it needs to be very bi-directional communication, and I request you to start.
Thank you, sir, and good morning, friend all.
Good morning.
Actually, my initial 5 minutes has been taken by the sir itself, and whatever is said is true. I am not here to just broadcast anything. I am not here to just deliver something. I am here to discuss something. As the name indicates, it's Vinay Talks. We will talk each other. Because in what happens in classrooms, generally, professors come, they deliver their lecture and go back. And you feel hesitation to ask the query. And there is the communication gap which creates imbalance in our career. For a good student, it's mandatory thing that he should be open to ask question, and for a good professor, it's mandatory he should be able to answer the question. So, as our today's topic is on resume drafting and interview preparation, can you please change the slide? It's for her. Can you please change? Do I need to ask any question? No. Or will you answer by own? What is the purpose of this seminar over here? Why we need to draft a resume? Why should we attend an interview? Anyone?
Please speak.
Please speak, because
Otherwise I have to call.
Means it won't be bidirectional. What is the ultimate aim of drafting a resume? Again, new question: why should we do job?
You want the salary?
You want salary? Just tell me, nothing else. Just tell me.
Yes. How to get the pay?
Yeah, but apart from pay, you don't want anything.
Gain more knowledge.
Okay, if someone is saying, what's your good name? Yeah,
Raj.
Raj. He's a great Raj. Thank you. If someone is saying that Raj, from tomorrow I will pay you salary. You don't need to do anything. You just sit idle at your home. Will you accept that offer? Good. So, why do you need the job? Is it only for salary? क्या सैलरी के लिए हम केवल जॉब करते हैं? नो? हाँ. नो में कितने हैं? How many of you will know? आप लोग सैलरी के अलावा भी जॉब करते हैं, राइट? अच्छा, कितने लोग सैलरी के लिए केवल जॉब करते हैं? कितने जो है? अच्छा, राज, आप सिर्फ सैलरी के लिए जॉब करते हैं? Okay. From tomorrow you will have to join us. You don't need to do anything. You will have to sit either at your home. So you will work over there. Don't forget that if you will accept any such kind of job, today you will get paid. But after, as time passes, after a tenure of time, they will stop paying you. And you will leave the habit of work. Isn't it so? Am I wrong? So, to work, we work not just for getting paid, but to gain knowledge, but to learn. Okay. So, when I was coming with the person Dhananjay. He was saying that I will do some business. How many of you will go with business or some entrepreneurship? How many of you will go with job after completion of the course?
Everyone. They told me everyone are interested.
No one will choose entrepreneurship
No,
or
only-
academic?
I have the insight only Dhananjay, the person.
Okay, that is good thing because few days ago I had conducted a session at Tapkal College at Nashik, and one student raised his hand and said me, "Sir, मला job नाही पाहिजे." I said, "What?" He said, "माझं काय तो शेती आहे द्राक्षांची. तिथून मला येतील पैसे येईल, मला काय जॉबची गरज आहे." गुड, अच्छी बात है. बट मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ, जैसे जो लोग बिजनेस में भी जाना चाह रहे हैं या जो लोग जॉब करना चाह रहे हैं, दोनों लोग के लिए इनिशियली आप जॉब करो, एटलीस्ट फॉर टेन्योर ऑफ 5 ईयर आपको जॉब करना चाहिए इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग फॉर बिजनेस. बिकॉज मैं अपना लाइव एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जो मेरे साथ पास आउट हुए. उन्होंने जो है पैसे इकट्ठा किए, they raised the capital from selling their property or from taking the loan from bank. They started their own entrepreneur, and now they have reduced the capital by 30%. Means at the time of set up their company, they were having the money of 90 lakh, and now I had visited their company just 2 months ago, and they are having 20 lakh only, the complete capital. Means if you are not having the experience, you can't succeed in business too. Okay? So in order to get a job, we must draft a effective resume and then interview. Okay, whenever we talk about resume, from your point of view, how a resume should look? What information it should contain?
Simple and exact. What is required, we should.
Simple and exact.
Not too much. We should include in that.
Good. Anyone else? How many of you had received call from my team or from me before this session? 4 लोग. आप लोग से बात करके मुझे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला था कि पेशेंट मीन इंग्लिश का प्रॉब्लम है, हेजिटेशन है, और एक और वर्ड था स्टेज डेयर नहीं है. स्टेज डेयर नहीं है, किसको प्रॉब्लम था? बी ओपन, डोंट हेजिटेट. स्टेज डेयर का प्रॉब्लम आपको था? आपको था स्टेज डेयर का प्रॉब्लम. इंग्लिश का आपको था? और ऐसे और कितने प्रॉब्लम थे मैंने कुछ नोट डाउन किए हैं. इंग्लिश, स्टेज डेयर, हेजिटेशन, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है. दीज आर नॉट एनी प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. मैं आपको बताऊंगा इंग्लिश तो एकदम प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिकॉज हम जिस तरह से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं वहां पे हमारी बॉडी लैंग्वेज मेजर रोल प्ले करती है. सब लेटर ऑन मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं, सब चीजों पे आऊंगा. खैर, अभी हम रिज्यूमे पे बात कर रहे थे, तो आपको क्या लगता है एक रिज्यूमे में और क्या होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी सिंपल, lucid. Apart from this, what should it contain? To be information. Okay.
रेज्यूमे एक पर्सन का आइडेंटिटी पूरा रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सो वो उतना बताना चाहिए कि वही पर्सन कैसा है, उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन, उसका एजुकेशन.
But you are feeling hesitation to ask. क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करने का तो कोई जाने ही वाला है.
नहीं, वो आपके लिए
थैंक यू फॉर दिस चैलेंज. मुझे एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर करना है. रिज्यूमे है, ठीक है. आज के टाइम में डिजिटल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस ओपन हो रहे हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री. कुछ कॉलेजेस में सीट वैकेंट भी जा रहे हैं, and you are lucky enough that you are having such good number of students. अभी हो क्या रहा है, एक वैकेंसी आती है, 500 एप्लीकेशन आ जाते हैं वहां पे जॉब के लिए. होता है ना? एक किसी कंपनी में लेट से सीमेंस में ही एक पोस्ट की वैकेंसी है, एप्लीकेशन आते हैं 1000. तो जो एम्प्लॉयर है वो आपका रिज्यूमे कितने टाइम देखेगा? सेकेंड. कितने सेकेंड? 30 सेकेंड. 30 सेकेंड. और कोई? It depends on resume. और
4 to 5 seconds.
4 to 5 सेकेंड. रिज्यूमे का कौन है? Because that is 4 to 5 सेकेंड. अच्छा. और वो रिज्यूमे काम ठीक कर सकते हैं 45. और कोई? रिज्यूमे देखने में how much time an employer should take to have glance on the resume? 1 minute. Okay. Means you want to say that if there are 500 applications for single post, then the employer should have 500 minutes is equal to 500 by 60 hours to see only the resume. Is it so? Who said 30 seconds? No? You are quite closer. Just 15 to 20 seconds an employer spent to go through your resume. 5 seconds काफी कम है. अब ये 15 to 20 seconds में उसे क्या दिखना है आपके रिज्यूमे में? And one thing you answer very correctly that resume should reflect ourselves. It's just like a marketing tool. Because when you will apply for a job, nobody will see you at that time कि वो कैसा है. For example, what's the good name? शुभम. शुभम ने किसी पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई किया. इनका एप्लीकेशन देख के no one can judge कि how शुभम look, right? वो कहते हैं. But इनकी जो टेस्टिमोनियल है वो उस रिज्यूमे में रहेगा. Are you getting my point? इनको इनकी सारी खूबियां जिसे कहते हैं, खूबियां उर्दू में, जो प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, जो क्वालिटीज हैं, वो उस रिज्यूमे में डालना है. रिज्यूमे में भी अलग अलग टाइप्स होते हैं और अलग अलग फॉर्मेट्स होते हैं बनाने के. ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप किस पोस्ट के लिए या किस कंपनी के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं या आप किस स्टेज पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. फॉर यू पीपल यू आर फ्रेशर, तो उसके लिए एक अलग ही रिज्यूम का पैटर्न रहता है. ठीक है, अभी इतना तो हमें समझ में आ गया है कि जो हमारा एम्प्लॉयर है हमारे रिज्यूमे को 15 to 20 सेकेंड से ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं देने वाला है. तो 15 to 20 सेकेंड में हमारे जो एम्प्लॉयर है उसको रिज्यूमे अच्छा लगे, हमें क्या करना होगा? गुड क्वालिटी ऑन द टॉप. बहुत सही.
Attractive points.
अट्रैक्टिव पॉइंट एकदम सही. गुड. क्या करना होगा ऐसा कि 15 to 20 सेकेंड्स में हमारा रिज्यूमे एम्प्लॉयर को भा जाए. क्या करेंगे? क्या ऐसा क्या करेंगे? He should call you, he should mail you that comfortable. Remember, if you are drafting, resume is a marketing tool which will accelerate you toward an interview, not toward job. If you on resume drafting, and second part will be on interview skills. In interview skills, we'll look after communication skill, presentation skill, and tips for interview. Nowadays, what happens? Anyone of you has said me on phone that nowadays telephonic interview is done. Where do you feel that? So when someone calling on phone, then how to reply the phone, how to talk or answer the call while on interview. This is clear. 15 to 20 seconds will be there to go through. For example,